how to redeem gift card on Klarna. So if you want to redeem gift card on Klarna, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Klarna application, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now from here, what you have to do is you have to simply select from a certain brand and from a certain product that you want to buy, right? And once you basically add all the products to your basket and you go to the checkout page, so basically we will go to the checkout page and select checkout the shipped items or so on. So depending upon from which you use, because in this case I'm using Sephora and I chose that as the option to buy, you can choose any of the other websites and you can have some coupons if you want to. But if you want to add a gift card, right, when you go to the checkout page or when you select the payment method option, you'll find an option that says add gift card. So by default you can also pay with a couple of options that are available, but you can also go ahead and choose to add a gift card, enter the gift card number and make sure to place your order just like that. This way you'll be able to redeem a gift card on Klarna. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries, doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.